My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 63 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be looking at certain features of the parallelogram, and we shall be answering a question under triangle geometry. Yes, that is it for this episode. Look at this question. Of course, all the questions in the series are from the Flashlearners Jamb application. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of questions in the app across all your subjects. Yes, of course. And all these questions are offline. They don't require internet to work. So turn off your data and practice the app. Life made easy. We are told that Roman figure 1, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Roman figure 2, opposite sides are opposite angles are equal. Roman figure 3, opposite angles are supplementary. And Roman figure 4, the diagonals bisect each other. Which of the above is true of a parallelogram? Parallelogram is obviously a four-sided figure, and this is a parallelogram. This is one side, this is another side, this is one side, this is another side. In terms of angle, this is one angle, this is another angle. This is one angle, this is another angle. Let's observe the features of a parallelogram. The first feature of a parallelogram, apart from the side that it has four sides and four angles, is that opposite sides are parallel. This is one side, this is another side. So this side and this side are opposite. They are parallel, they do not meet. They just keep going like this, like this. They do not meet, they do not intersect. And opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. If this is one angle, this is definitely the angle opposite it. If here is 100 degrees, here will definitely be 100 degrees. If here is 80 degrees, this is the opposite angle. Here will also be 80 degrees. So, if they say here 100 degrees and here they put S, we should know that this and this are equal, and that is the rule of parallelogram. Something else you should know is that the opposite sides are equal. This side here is the same thing as this side here, and this side here is the same thing as this side here. If here is 5 cm, here will also be 5 cm. If here is 8 cm, here will also be 8 cm. So opposite sides are equal. Something else you should know is that the two diagonals bisect each other. Here is one diagonal, here is another diagonal. The parallelogram has two diagonals, and both they bisect each other, as you can see on the board. And something else you should know is that the consecutive angles are supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees, not opposite angles. The opposite angles of a parallelogram, they are not supplementary. They don't add up to 180 degrees. It is the consecutive angles or the adjacent angles that are supplementary. So this and this do not add up to 180. It is this guy, like each of the two consecutive angle. Here and here, they will give you 180. Here and here will give you 180. Here and here will give you 180. So if you add consecutive angles of a parallelogram, you get 180 degrees. That is supplementary angles. In this question, they said opposite angles are supplementary. It is not the opposite angles that are supplementary. It is the consecutive angles or adjacent angles. So, Roman figure I is definitely wrong. And for a parallelogram, area is AB sine A sine theta, or area is AB, and perimeter is 2A plus B. These are the features of parallelogram, and the correct option is option B. Roman figure 1 is correct, 2 is correct, and 4 is correct. We are given this triangle, and they said that triangle PQR above is dash PQR. So we are concerned about this triangle. In this question, they are not asking us for a particular angle directly. They just say, what is this triangle? From the options, we have idea of what they are seeking or what they really want from us. AS is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides and all the angles are the same. Isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides are the same, two angles are the same. The remaining one side and one angle are not the same. A scalene triangle is a type of triangle where no side is the same and no angle is the same. Meanwhile, an acute angle is an angle that is lesser than 90 degrees. If you have something like this, any angle that is around here is definitely lesser than 90 degrees. It is an acute angle. If it gets to 90 degrees like this, it is a right angle. Angle that is greater than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degrees, that is obtuse angle. And the one that is greater than 180 degrees but lesser than 360 degrees, that is reflex angle. So now that we understand the option, in fact, I don't think there is an obtuse angled triangle. So let's take option B out of our mind or out of our mouths. Life is easy for us in the sense that here and here, they make up a straight line. If we call here S plus 128 degrees will be 180 degrees. Because when you add angles in a straight line, you will get 180 degrees. So S is 180 degrees minus 128 degrees. This will give you 52 degrees. So here is 52 degrees. Let's call this Y. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, 76 degrees plus 52 degrees plus Y degrees should give us 180 degrees. So Y degrees is 180 degrees minus 76 degrees minus 52 degrees. Y degrees is equals 52 degrees. So here is also 52 degrees. This is a triangle with two angles equal. When two angles are equal in a triangle, we refer to that triangle as isosceles triangle. So option C is correct. This guy is an isosceles triangle. Wow! This brings us to the end of this episode. If you love what you are seeing, why not subscribe to this channel? Why not tell your friends about the Flashlearners YouTube channel? And feel free to watch this video again, watch other videos, check out other subjects. And don't fail to install the Flashlearners Jamb application. It is going to help you do more. Now, if you have personal concerns, academic concern, you need to reach out to me. Feel free to let me know. I am tired of answering the question of the quality is not high. These videos are recorded in 1080p, and this is crystal clear. Even this like this, I can see it during preview, so it is extremely clear. But by default, YouTube will show you low quality video depending on your network, data, and settings. It is left for you to, as you are watching the video, click on me like the video. You see 3 small dots. Click on that dot. You see option to watch high quality video. Do that to see everything so clear and so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next episode.